Hi, second graders. Yesterday, we filled in Piggy's side of the Venn diagram with all of the character traits about Piggy. So we said that he was pink, he was a pig, was small, had pointy ears and a snout, was silly, happy, excited, and friendly. So today we're going to complete Elephant's side of the Venn diagram with all of the character traits that are about Elephant. So let's start with those outside traits, just like we did with Piggy. So I know that he is an elephant. He's gray. He is a big animal with big ears, and he has a trunk. Okay, so now I have the list of outside traits. I'm going to move to those inside traits. What did I learn about elephant from reading the book Happy Pig Day? So let's think about how Elephant was feeling for most of our book. Okay, so if we looked at his face, we saw that he was pretty sad or disappointed for most of our book. Okay, we know that he was assertive because he stood up for himself and told Piggy how he was feeling. And most importantly, we know that he loves pigs and is a good friend. Okay, so there is our list of character traits for Piggy and for Elephant.